Makerfield, the women spoke. Listen. She stood up tall and the QT lights looked him straight. I'd rather have a career man than a plumber full of hate. Cause the post came crawling from the rugby forum days. I am sexist, sorry, but I am. That's what the man say. Women can't ref, can't drive, can't give no directions right. English girls fat, bellied in pajamas, pushing prams at night. European ones got figures, the rest just don't compare. Objectify, degrade, then wonder why we care. TheIndependent.com. He liked the dirty post about Carol Vorderman's body. Thumbs up, laughing emoji. What we're all thinking probably. Then the abortion lines, cold as steel in the thread. Cowardly acting, murdering babies just to jump in bed so they can shag who they want and get a second chance. That's the respect he claims for women in his storm. TheIndependent.com. I'd rather have a career politician, flawed but tried, than a plumber who's a sexist with that darkness deep inside. We read the words you wrote, we saw the record clear. You can't delete the past when the women's voices rise here. I'd rather a man who knows better than one still stuck in that weather. He says years ago, taken out of context, I've changed, but the pattern runs deep, the damage remains. No straight apology, no real ownership shown. Just I got respect for women while the old posts get thrown. Mother and sister defense, that's not how it works, mate. Respect isn't claimed, it's lived every day, every day. We're not asking for perfect, we're asking for basic grace. Not a candidate dragging no misogyny into this place. Facebook.com. I'd rather have a career politician, flawed but tried, than a plumber who's a sexist with that darkness deep inside. We read the word you wrote, we saw the record clear. You can't delete the past when the women's voices rise here. I'd rather North won't forget, this wave breaks forever. This ain't ancient history, these scars don't fade quick. When you call our choices murder just to get your fix. When you rate our bodies, rate our worth, rate our role. We remember Makerfield, women got control. I'd rather have a career politician than a plumber who's a sexist. We said it loud on